My name is Christa, and I have done the Tantra practitioner training with the Embodied Awakening Academy. And oh my God, it has been one of the best life decisions, one of the best life experiences. Shanta, Raven, and Tara are leading with so much heart. They're leading with so much knowledge, so much life wisdom, so much care, and so much integrity. It has all the way through felt so safe for me to really explore my whole being. A big part of the training is for you to drop from your mind space into your body and for you to explore all aspects of your being, the dark, the light, the feminine, the masculine, and everything in between. And through all of these incredible powerful tools and practices and methods that I have learned, I now feel so much more equipped to first of all navigate life, my life, navigate the ups and downs and the circles and everything that life may represent. And from that embodiment place and inner knowing that I can hold myself, I feel so much more confident to also serve my clients and to go with them to places where they might feel scared, where they might feel overwhelmed or not dare to even feel. And this, I feel, has made me a very powerful practitioner. And the beauty of this training is that you will be trained in working with women, working with men, and also working with couples. So it is a very wide and very holistic, very trauma-informed training that will equip you to become an incredible, great practitioner. So I can highly, highly recommend you to join and do this training.